guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1966 Chevelle. It's a 138, so it is a true SS, finished in black with a black interior. And I got Rich here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Rich?
Hey, doing great today, Mike. How are you?
Good.
Hey, we got a beauty here today. This Super Sport is really clean. Look at the lines on this car. It's a 396. It's an NOM, but it is a true 1966 396. It was built to LS6 specs. It's pushing 450 horsepower. Carries an Edelbrock intake manifold. Solid lifter camshaft. We have dual exhaust with headers. 4-speed transmission, 12 volt. The valves have been adjusted. It's a recent new carburetor on this. It is a factory original. We have a factory original AC Delco fuel pump in this. This car is unmolested. It is a true black on black, and it surely runs
Fantastic.
fantastic. This one sounds great.
Sounds
It
great.
runs great. I mean, you're gonna love this car.
Yeah, beautiful lines, just like you said. It's really hard to hide anything with a black car like this. Sitting on Rallyes, wrapped in like brand new BF Goodrich tires. You don't really see them like this anymore. I even think it's got the original pans, right? Floor
It
pans?
does have the original floor pans in it. Everything underneath looks 100%.
Yeah,
This car is nice.
it really is pretty. Let's check out under the hood. There she is.
There she is in all her glory.
High-rise Edelbrock manifold. Brand new valve cover gaskets, it looks like.
Also forgot to mention, this is a complete MSD, ready to run distributor system. Nice and clean, looks factory original. Uses the MSD blaster coil. This car starts right up, it drives anywhere.
Beautiful. You can see right there, it's a real black car. Looks like hooker headers.
Brand new master cylinder. Brake system is completely gone over. All fluids have been done on this vehicle, front to rear.
Man, awesome. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Oh, you might need the keys, right? It's not the first time I've done that.
That's all right. That's evil.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Sounds great. You can hear that camshaft really open, huh?
LS6 specs, right?
Oh, LS6 specifications.
You'll love
Listen
a
to
solid
those.
lifter, right?
Oh, you gotta
Killer.
love that sound. True horsepower there.
Yep. Real 138 SF. This 3-spoke wheel. It's also tilt, showing 99,410 miles. It's got a vintage sound system. Still haven't figured out how to turn that on yet. Beautiful dash pad. Center console, the correct T-shift handle. Working clock. Correct seat belts. Beautiful headliner. And visors.
Even the console light works for the rear.
Oh, cool. Beautiful door panel. Great moldings all the way around.
restoration.
Wow. Gorgeous paint. Just take it for a quick drive. Definitely a Posi rear. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399.